Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Dom and we're going to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must affirm their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright everyone, first one I want to bring up is FFIE. Now, this used to be a SPAC. This is an EV company here. Now, if you come and look at these September options here, pretty high implied volatility here, so these options are not cheap. But if you come here and look, there's about 80,000 of these September 17th, 14 strike calls that are being bought here. Open interest of 0. That is just insane. 80,000 of these calls trading. The 14 strike, the stock is at about $11, call it. That's about 30% out of the money. So these people are either betting on an extremely fast short-term move here, or they're betting that the stock is going to be above $14 by at least 95 cents on expiration. So that is an extremely bullish bet here. And when you take a look at this stock chart here, this is post-merger here. I think pre-merger, the stock's high was about $17. Thinkorswim does not show the post-merger. I think it takes a little bit for them to get that data in here. But now this stock is down significantly from its highs. It looks like we might have some resistance here at about this 13.5 level, possibly at this 12.5 level. But I will probably be long gone out of these options. We have these options in a different account, so you don't see the position there. But this is extremely bullish activity here. Very unusual to be buying that short-term, out-of-the-money call with that many calls trading. That is just freaking ridiculous, if you want my honest opinion. Super unusual. So, next one I want to bring up is Bitfarms. Now, this is a Bitcoin mining play here. Been seeing unusual in this one for a little while now here. I decided to get in these February 2022 12.5 strike calls. There's a super far out of the money call here, but I plan on getting a nice pop in the stock and then taking the profits. Probably won't be holding this one to expiration because our break even on expiration is over, 100% move in the stock. So yeah, I've been seeing this one hit for unusual options activity quite a bit. You can see that the open interest here is accumulating here. And there's not a lot of puts trading relative to calls, so that's also a plus as well. But you can see all the open interest that's accumulating here from all the unusual options activity hits that we've seen. A lot of short-term buying, some longer-term buying here. If you take a look at the stock chart here, I decided to get into this one here because it had a nice little pullback here. Even though the price of Bitcoin has risen, this thing kind of had a pullback here for no apparent reason, so I figured it was a good time. It's about $1 off of its highs here. This used to be an over-the-counter stock that just got listed on the NASDAQ, so, same scenario here. They don't have the full stock chart. You can look up the full stock chart online. I think the all-time highs are about, maybe not the all-time highs, but the one-year highs are about $7.50 here, so that is reading accurate. So, I like Bitfarms. We're in these calls, and we will see what happens, everyone. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Make sure to keep this subscribing up. I really appreciate it. Make sure to shoot a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. And as always, if you got any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.